Today is a Sunday. So, hindi tayo natuloy umalis yesterday kasi nag-snow na matindi. It's not super matindi, but I just wish na nakaalis ako kahapon kasi today hindi ako makakapag-drive. So, I have to wait for hubby for him to get home so we can actually go to mom's. And then, we have to pick up some stuff sa store real quick lang. Although nag-Costco na siya last time, pero may mga items pa kami na wala sa Costco. Anyway, it's a bright morning and kaya tayo nakaganito is para ma-protect yung hair ko sa paglalagas-lagas. Kaya nagkaganito ako, diba? So, ayan, bare face again. Ayan guys, ganyan siya kaliwanag mga gorge. And let's look for Makera. So, itong part ng window namin ito ay territory ni Makera. Hello! It actually feels like December, pero tayo? Malapit na mag-spring. So, papasok ako dito sa kabilang room dahil ako ay magliligpit. Dito ako natulog kagabi. Dito kami natulog kagabi ni hubby. Wala lang. Tapos si Makara na yan sa kabilang bedroom. Kaya hindi nagulo yung aming kama doon. But ayan, ayusin ko lang yung aming bed. Happy Sunday everyone! So, nakaganito tayo kasi malamig. Kukunin ko lang yung coat ko. Magkatapon ako ng basura. And, antayin ko si hubby this time kasi kaya ko naman mag-drive, pero I feel like it's a little slick outside. It's a little slippery outside, so I'd rather not drive, and it's a weekend anyway. But yeah, let me just get my coat real quick. I'm gonna add my coat. Para hindi tayo magkasakit, protected tayo lagi. I got my wallet. I got my phone right here. Minabag ko. My wallet, my keys. Alright. And then, of course, I have my shopping bag here. We still have a few more shopping bags sa car, but I'm gonna go ahead and wait for hubby now. Before I step out, I know na nag-Costco na si hubby last time, pero he just got yung mga items na madalas namin ginagamit para bulk and makasave kami. But this time, we're probably gonna go to Fred Meyer's after picking up food from mom, or probably Fred Meyer's muna, then we'll pick up something from mom kasi nagluto siya nilaga kahapon. Hindi ko na pick up kasi nga nag-snow bigla. But anyway, yeah, nagpe-prepare din kami kahit papano kasi merong volcanic activity dito sa Alaska. It's a little far from Anchorage, but will be affected definitely because of the ashfall or ashes. And we'd like to make sure that just in case may water contamination, just in case may power outage, meron kami mga stocks dito, mga perishables. So kailangan meron kaming canned goods, noodles. I'm gonna look for like a stove top. In case of emergency, yung butane. Okay lang gumastos ngayon kasi mas mahirap mawala ng pagkain. And then we'll get 2 more packs of water or another pack of water kasi meron na kaming 4 na packs ng water sa storage sa baba. So, I'll show you later kung ano yung mga pinamili namin. Again, I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog at the store dahil nga lagi na lang tayo nagmamadali, diba? And ayoko mag-stay masyado sa labas kasi malamig today. So, yeah. I'll see you later. Hey gosh, I'm here with hubby now. So kaka-out na lang sa work. Hindi naman madulas yung daan pala. I should have just driven, huh? But it's just the back roads that I'm worried about. But other than that, malamig siya today, 22 degrees. Ito niya, may mga snow. Pero nag-clear agad yung roads, no? Because it's warm. If you go to Anchorage, visit Golden Donuts. Masarap yung donuts sila dito. Matamis nga lang talaga. Unlike Otis and Tudor. Ayan. Gas. Alam niyo, Gorge, Ang weird talaga ng weather ngayon dito sa Alaska. I'm sure sa other states din naman. Pero I see heavy. Anyway, ano? What do you call this? So we all thought na last week parang warm na. Hindi na nag-a-appear dun sa weather update na mag-snow. Tapos nag-snow kahapon. Almost non-stop siya. Pero flurries lang until mas maraming snowflakes. So, it's a little muddy. Kakakarwash lang namin last time. Muddy na naman. It's always like this. And actually, people really don't care here if you have a dirty car. Especially here, siguro sa ibang states ganun din. People don't really care just because it's very common, you know. You don't need to have a shiny or very clean exterior. Kasi nga, nagda-dusty dito and all that. Medyo may flurry spray na kaunti. So, nilisin lang ni Habi ata yung windows. So, ayan. Ayan yung mud, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Nagputik na siya. Dito kami nagpapagas sa Chevron. Ayan guys, kita nyo naman, diba? Ayan. We are at Fred Meyers. Myers. Bibili ako ng lagay ng tissue. Yung ganito. Shoes on sale, oh. I super love this. Should I get this? Ang ganda. Size 9. May naka-sale, guys. Tingin tayo ng mga pwede nating gamitan sa work and for other, of course, use. Guys, I'm gonna get this. Kung may size 9. Wow, it's so cute. Perfect siya for work ko. Itong color. Hanap tayo ng iba. Sana maganda, kaso size 11. Maganda. Sige, bili tayo nito. Silang mga shoes here. Harap ko rin si Habi. Meron na kasi akong boots eh. Gusto ko sneakers. Sorry na. Umalis na ako dun sa mga damit. Two of these. I'm gonna get one of these. One of these. A little loud here, so I will just catch up with you when I get home. It's snowing a little bit. Hinaharap ko si Dex. Grabe, naka 100 plus sa 155, pero sulit naman lahat. Kami ay pupunta na sa bahay ni Mama Mirna. I don't know how many pieces ng nilaga yun, pero I've been craving for nilaga. Sana may rice. I bought rice dear, just in case, no? I bought rice. Yay! Tapos ano pa ba? Basta mamaya na lang guys ha, para makarelax tayo mo nag-vlog or nag-haul tayo sa bahay. Yan, gorge. Thank you, Mama Mirna. Tsaka yung nilaga. I'm so happy. Hey, gorge. Ayan, kami ay nakauwi na at i-haul ko yung mga pinabili namin or pinamili ko. Well, pinamili namin kaya si Habi ay nasa car. Ako ang namili. So, what I did, meron naman akong list sa phone. Pero parang I just grab what I thought we needed. So, okay lang yan. Naka 155 kami. Pero ang dami ko namang nabili. Tsaka nakabila akong dalawang new pairs of shoes for work na 70% off, $11 lang siya. So, anyway, let's get started with the haul. Unahin ko na yung mga malalamig para mailagay natin sa fridge right away. Baby spinach. So, nakasale pala to dahil hanggang March 18th na lang siya Best Buy. But it doesn't mean that it expires. So, You know what I do here? Nalagay siya sa Ziploc or freezer bags para i-frozen natin siya para hindi masayang kasi ayaw namin nag-waste ng food. And then of course, this Mexico na minis na ice cream. Masarap yung strawberry fresca. Pero I haven't tried coconut and mango. So, 12 pieces, maliliit lang siya. Parang tamang amount lang siya ng pagkain ng ice cream kapag nag-crave kayo. And I got the, of course, as always, you probably know this by now. We love the crunchy combo, jumbo butterfly shrimps. Ayan, dalawa nito. And then, ito yung Denali ice cream. Ilalagay ko na siya sa freezer. Hindi pa naman to now, pero I'd rather put it in the freezer na. I know it's Lent, pero we're stocking up on pork. Just in case mag-crave tayo ng pork chops. And then, ground pork, ground beef and pork na blend. Pang spaghetti or lasagna. Or pwede rin siyang pang tacos. And then, of course, yung mango na favorite namin. Shoutout kay Sis Angel. Angel Valdez. Ito yung mango. Tapos yung ginawa niya before, pero parang nakalimutan ko na masarap nga pala yun, yung with avocado. So mango. And ito ay less than $1 lang isa. So bumili tayo ng 4 na mango. And bumili tayo ng ano ba yung flavor ng isa? White chocolate raspberry. So this is lactose-free, gluten-free, and 0 sugar. Bumili ako ng extra chips. Wala siya sa listahan, pero naalala ko nga, baka mamaya alam mo na magkaroon ng inaabangan nga na, hindi man inaabangan, pero syempre, in case of emergency, alam mo tayo mga Pilipino, lalo na lagi tayong nakahanda, diba? Observe nga yung Mount Spurs dito sa Alaska na possible volcanic eruption or meron siyang volcanic activity. Well, it's not possible, pero anytime it will erupt. Hindi naman super delikado, pero yung ashfall nga, like what I said earlier. And unfortunately, nagkakabusan ng water sa store. So, meron kaming 4 packs of water sa baba. O-order na lang ako sa Walmart. Kasi you will never know when you're gonna need it. We have some first aid kits here, pero I'm gonna add 2 more. And then, marami pa ako orderin, pero it's okay, you know. It's not about, anyway, parang this is not the time for you to be kuripot. Kasi, like what I said, di naman kami talaga nag-eat out for the most part. Kasi I'd rather really cook. And I can do whatever I want with my food, you know, when I cook. But anyway, yun lang. Kaya kami nag-grocery ulit ngayon. Kasi baka sabihin nyo na, grocery ako ng grocery, gastos ng gastos. Pero again, this is our luxury. Like having a lot of food in the fridge, having a lot of food in the pantry. Nag-add ako ng noodles. Ayoko naman ng super daming noodles kasi hindi naman kami mapa-noodles or ano ba to, mahilig sa noodles talaga ni Hubby kasi nga hindi rin siya healthy. So pang emergency lang yan. I got Krusteaz na buttermilk. Pancake, just add water. Ito yung heart healthy version. So, ayan. Tsaka maraming nakasil din dito, guys. Nacho cheese na crackers. Pambaon namin yan ni Hubby. Para nagka-crave. Ayan. And then, ito, naka-clearance siya. Mrs. Butterworth's Cinnabon. And it expires September this year. So, tatagal pa ito sa aming Cinnabon, guys. I haven't tried this. Let me know if you've tried this. Pero, it looks really good. I've read a lot of reviews about this. There's also another one at Dunkin' Donuts. Kaya lang, it'll expire sa April this year. And, ayoko siyang, like, syempre pag mag-expire na, ayoko naman siya agad ubusin dahil mag-expire na. Hindi naman healthy yun sa katawan. Minced garlic, syempre, para hindi na tayo mag-chop ng garlic kasi mahal. Ito naman ay okay din, pero it's also okay to have like the natural or fresh garlic cloves. Tapos, gusto nyo i-freezer nyo na lang din siya, pwede naman yun. Almond milk, para pang, what do you call this? Milkshake namin or pang shake kasi meron pa kaming mga frozen fruits sa freezer. And then, creamer ko, guys. So, pang-stock lang to lahat kasi may creamer pa ako sa fridge. Meron pa pala tayong isang frozen item na ilalagay natin sa freezer. Alaska Seafood, Wild, Natural, and Sustainable. So, this is made in Alaska or packed in Alaska, caught and packed in Alaska fish sticks with minced fish talaga. Ayan. I got the Nutella dupe. Pero masarap to, 65 reduced sugar. So, we'll see if it really tastes like whatchamacallit, Nutella. Kasi yung sa Great Value, lasang Nutella talaga siya. And then red raspberry preserves para sa sandwich or para sa crackers or ham. Nag-stock tayo ng rice. Hindi naman kami nag-rice na ni Hubby, pero nag-stock tayo just in case meron tayong ulam na masarap. Tulad ngayon may nilaga tayo, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat rice or quinoa. Meow mix for Makara! Makara! Yan, para meron siyang stock na food kasi alam niyo na baka may time na hindi kami makalabas ni Hubby. So magpapadeliver na lang ako ng tubig sa Walmart siguro tomorrow and whatever items we need here. Kasi, or I might just stop at the store. I don't know, we'll see. Pero water is really important. Paper towel, pandagdag lang sa ating supplies. Meron naman kami toilet paper dito. So yung paper towel, mahalaga rin yan. I also got this Pure Breeze Pet. Pangpapabango ng bahay. Kung ayaw nyo gumamit ng mga wax melts or hindi safe yung... Marami ka sa atin na hindi comfortable mag-candle. Ako, comfortable ako. Pero I make sure na hinihipan ko agad yung kandila bago kami umalis, like a couple of hours before umalis, para wala talaga siyang warmth or heat, kumbaga. This paper, not paper, I got this tissue holder. Lalagay natin yung tissue sa loob. Wala lang, parang gusto ko lang siya ilagay dito kasi syempre may cut kami. Pag naka-open lang siya or naka-expose, si Makara kasi di ba minsan pupunta sa vanity ko. Kaya, although hindi naman often, pero tinatakpan ko talaga yung mga gamit ko na ginagamit ko like sa face, brushes, kasi ayoko na maglagay ng makeup sa face ko using the brushes that I have here. Tapos may hair na Makara. So, hindi siya maganda sa skin. And last but not the least, I think sinasabi ko sa inyo na Steve Madden New York na shoes. Tweed ang kanyang parang tweed siya. And hindi ko siya pwede gamitin kapag winter, of course. Nonetheless, I leave these in my office. Which I'm planning to have like a little shoe rack under my desk. Kasi marami akong shoes doon, papalit-palit, depende sa aking outfit. So, since I've started driving recently, gusto ko yung shoes ko comfortable pa nag-drive. So, I can use this or I can just have another pair of driving shoes. But, yep, anyway, ito yung last item sa pinurchase natin, Gorge. So, the total amount that I spent today is $155 sharp. I don't know if you find it mahal, pero I think it's good kasi hindi naman to lahat like Kroger brand. Hindi naman to lahat like the cheapest brand that you can find at the store. May mga additional items tayo like yung konting toiletries, meron din tayong food na Makara, and then of course yung extra shoes ko nga. So kung hindi ko isama yung shoes ko, nasa like 130 lang siya. But it's fine, you know. It's not like, you know, we go out and buy this and that luxurious items. Kasi ang kasiyahan lang talaga namin ay punong-puno ang aming pantry at aming freezer, fridge. So, yep. Again, I've promised you that I will be giving you a fridge tour. We'll do that sometime soon, and then I will show you the vanity soon. Hindi ko sure kung bibili pa kami ng Target shelf kasi sabi ko sa asawa ko, okay na ako, happy na ako dito sa aking vanity area. Siguro kailangan ko lang mag-declutter and i-update yung mga organizers ko. Pero I'm really happy and content, malinis naman. Plus, hindi naman ako aalis or lilipat kung saan pa, diba? So, this is our home and I just do whatever I want with my vanity. So, ayun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, Gorge!